Have you ever opened your closet door and been overwhelmed by the mess you found inside? Hi, my name is Caleb Frost with Residential Design Solutions. Welcome back for another episode of Front Porch Friday. Today, we're here at our office in Columbus, Ohio, and I'd like to share with you some tips and tricks for closet organization. Unlike the house you live in, the car you drive, or the clothes you wear, your closet is personal, and yet it still affects the way you live. An organized closet can give you confidence as you face the day. It lets you save time, lessens stress, and reduces the number of decisions you have to make. Some may find it better to organize clothing by occasion, maybe formal and non-formal. Others may prefer organizing them by item, shirts here and pants there. Ever thought of using shower curtain hooks to store bulky items on, like purses or handbags? What about those boots that keep falling over? A boot organizer can be a great way to keep them in order. Try staggering your shoes to maximize shelf and floor space. Use towel bars to reclaim wasted space on doors or walls. Check this out. Flip over a shelf bracket and sort items by type with curtain clips. Most of all, have fun creating a closet that makes you efficient and feel proud. If you're considering remodeling, give us a call. We'd love to help. Thank you for joining us for another Front Porch Friday. We make these videos for you, so if there's anything you'd like to know more about, let us know. If this has been helpful for you, give us a like and leave your closet organization hacks in the comments below. See you next time on the Front Porch.